Hi, my name's Frankie and I'm part of RE-PEAT. RE-PEAT is a youth-led collective working to reimagine peatlands, get people excited about peatlands and in doing so help to protect them.
My name is Eduardo Hernandez Malar. I'm coming originally from the Catalan countryside, from Spain, and my role in this project is representing Toekomstboeren, which is a farmers' movement here in the Netherlands, and together with RE-PEAT we organize workshops raising awareness about peat, about soil, about potting soil, and supporting the food sovereignty movement.
One of the big issues with peatlands is that they are extracted to be used in the horticultural sector. So we want to kind of, challenge that system and think of different ways of making compost that are more sustainable and more just.
We started this relationship between RE-PEAT and Toekomstboeren to raise awareness about peat extraction. Peat is mostly used nowadays for potting soil, and potting soil is very much used for gardening and for small-scale horticulture farmers. So we want to raise awareness on alternative on how to use potting soil which has no peat, so to have a more sustainable farming practices. I think the biggest challenges when we talk about peat extraction, it's a systematic issue. Like peat has been extracted for centuries, and the whole peat industry and lobby make us believe that peat is really necessary for farmers. Some of the big challenges trying to convince first ourselves and then other farmers that if we keep experimenting, if we keep collaborating and building up community, we can find different forms and different ways of growing our seedlings from the seeds, not using peat. And that's why we really need the activists like RE-PEAT or researchers who are looking on different ways and stop the extraction of peat, and because thanks to their knowledge and our practice we can bring together for a future of free peat extraction.
The workshop is super hands-on. We're inviting people to really touch the soil and smell the soil and engage with it. And I think that really works with the CURIOSOIL literacy program. There are loads of people here who are from the Agroecology network, so it's really cool to be able to introduce them to peatlands and show them how to make peat-free soil.
But the feedback from people is, first of all, they don't know how problematic is peat extraction. They don't know the amount of CO2 that is released to the atmosphere when peat is extracted. They don't know how damaging is the ecosystem and how almost irreparable or irreversible is the damage that you're doing to the ecosystem. So with amazing introduction RE-PEAT is always doing on this topic, people is shocked, wow. And they don't know the use of this, and then it's when Toekomstboeren enter explaining all this peat nowadays is mostly used for potting soil, for growing seedlings. As a result, we always have this feeling that we are empowering people to at least be a bit more critical, and maybe for daily consumption, when you go to buy your potting soil, look if there's a label which says free peat extraction.
So we're running this campaign, Peatland Justice. Our main target is Albert Heijn, and if you're in the Netherlands and want to get involved, then get in touch.